guys, welcome back to the vlog. Mark Glenn here, and today we are traveling to an international destination. I'm going back to Taipei for the second time around, and samahan niyo ako of course. So tara mag-check-in muna tayo sa airline counter and lalagpas tayo sa immigration, and later na ako chichika sa inyo. So I'll see you later guys. Hello guys, time check, it's 7:15 PM and 11:35 pa yung flight natin. Sobrang bilis lang nung sa immigration, parang wala pang 20 minutes. Pero sa security, doon tayo medyo natagalan and sobrang chaotic. Ang konti lang nang gumagana ng scanner, so ayun. And tara, mag-coffee muna tayo somewhere before tayo mag-proceed sa boarding. And by the way, dalawa lang yung tinanong sa akin sa immigration as usual. Kung government employee ako and yung role ko or yung job title ko. So ayun lang, ganun lang kabilis. Are boarding na guys. I'm with my sister. Hello.
Do your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the store. Hindi mo magkakampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit.
So guys, we made it here in Taipei and we are here at Taoyuan International Airport. And magsi-CR lang kami ng sister ko before tayo sumabak sa immigration and sa baggage claim. So ayun, see you later. So ayun guys, nakapag-withdraw na kami ng cash, and since wala pang train to Taipei station, magbabas kami ng sister ko. So ayun, first time ko magbabas na from the airport here sa Taipei. So ayun, try natin, sana mairaos namin itong adventure na ito. So let's go. Guys, ayun, nag-withdraw ako using a Union Bank debit card, and all in all, parang yung computation niya is 1.94 pesos per dollar. And yung sister ko nag-withdraw using GCash card, and yung conversion is 1.89 lang na peso per dollar. So mas panalo yung rate dun. So I would recommend na if may GCash card kayo, yun yung gamitin nyo na pang withdraw guys. Guys, pag magbabasting kayo, kailangan kunin nyo is yung Easy Card. Pero ito, Super Card yung tawag. Pwede siyang gamitin sa MRT yan, sa bus, ganun. And ilo-load nyo na lang siya. And we got it from 7-Eleven, guys. And kung nagugutom kayo, mag-snacks na rin kayo here. hinahanap namin guys yung bus 1819 na sakayan. Kasi doon tayo sasakay papunta sa Taipei Main Station. Ngayon na. Hello guys, so we finally made it to our hotel. It's 4:33 a.m. na. And ayun, medyo natagalan kami sa bus. Almost 1 hour din siya, and then bumili pa kami ng food sa convenience store dun sa Taipei Main Station pagbaba natin from the bus. And from there, cab na lang kami ng Cisco here. At 200 Taiwanese dollars yung siningil sa amin. Pero kung metered yun, it's much lower. Pero understandable naman na isipin na lang natin, night differential yun ni Kuya Cab Driver. Kaya, goods na rin yung 200 dahil inassist niya rin kami sa luggage namin na mabibigat. So, ayun, we are staying here at Green World Zonghua Hotel. And ang ganda ng location niya sa Ximending area. Pagtawid mo, Ximending Night Market na kaagad. Pero ngayon, closed na kasi it's 4 a.m. na guys. So, wala na masyadong bukas, mga convenience stores na lang. And ayun, mag-quick room tour tayo dahil nagugutom na rin ako para makakain na ako. So, let's start here guys. Ayun, may workstation dyan and then merong chair. Meron tayong mini fridge and then meron dyang tissue na provided. Meron ding coffee and tea amenities here. May free water, may water kettle, and meron tayong mugs. And ayan, meron tayong dalawang bedside lamps with twin beds yung binook namin ng Cisco. And meron ditong small TV and merong hangers dito and cute lamp. Ayan, ang cute niya. Look. And for the bathroom guys, medyo spacious naman siya. Meron din dyang, ayan, may tissue, may phone, maraming power outlets, and then, ayan, meron tayong parang automatic ba ito na bidet. And may hand soap, we have a faucet here. And ito ang ating shower. Ayan, may provided na body and hair wash. And walang mga toothbrush, etc. So, magdala na lang kayo if you're going to stay here. And that's pretty much it for our quick room tour, guys. Nakuha lang namin to for 7,000 plus. And you can also book it through Klook. And don't forget to use my promo code, of course. And ayun, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Super late dinner na kami. And magpapahinga na para maaga rin tayong magising mamaya kahit morning na actually. So baka mga noon time or afternoon na tayo makapag-start gumala bukas. So, ayun, I will see you guys tomorrow. And again, this is going to be a very chill itinerary as usual. If you have been watching my vlogs, wala talaga tayong super fix na very touristy ganap. So, laging chill lang. So, if you're into that, then just keep on watching. And I will share with you our Taipei adventure. By the way guys, wala pala siyang included na breakfast, pero may options din doon if magbubook kayo na may breakfast. So, marami naman kasi kaming gustong itry na kainan dito. First time kasi nung sister ko here in Taipei, and ako second time ko pa lang din naman, wala pa rin naman ako masyadong na-try ng mga dining spots dito sa Ximending area. So, mas gusto naming mag-try na lang tomorrow. And, ano ba? Yung check-out time nila guys, 11 a.m. So ayun, it's one thing to note din if magbubook kayo here sa Greenworld Zonghua Hotel. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Good afternoon guys, it's our first full day here in Taipei and actually paggabi na, it's almost 5 p.m. na dahil nakatulog kami almost 8 a.m. na and late tayo nagising. Syempre, ang sarap matulog, ang lamig ng weather and medyo malakas din yung AC dito. So ayun, ngayon pa lang tayo mag-start ng day. Anyway, after this we still have 2 more full days and half a day para mag-ikot at maggala. So, hopefully marami pa akong ma-vlog. And tara na, wag na tayong magbagal pa dahil ang late na talaga. And we already made it here sa Ximending area. Tumawid lang tayo guys and nakakita pa tayo ng sunset. So ayun, perfect. Sobrang crowded ng Ximending as usual and nag-OOTD, nag-feed check lang ako na gamit ang tripod ko from Shopee. So ayun, pakita ko sa inyo yung shot. Ayun, nahiraos natin siya, wala na akong pakailan kahit maraming tao. And ayun, siguro mag-coffee muna tayo para may energy tayo maggala hanggang mamayang madaling araw. let's go sa Poya. I have a voucher I purchased from Klook worth 1,000 NTD and gamitin natin siya. And of course, you can also book it. Don't forget to use my promo code for discounts. Budget friendly.
Bye.